श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। वागीशाद्यासमनसः सर्वार्थानापक्रमेन्नस्त्वा कृतकृत्या स्युः तं नमामि गजाननं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्मव्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरो भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमहर्षये। हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तम् आनन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानबाणम् अहं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्री सत्यसायिनं मम अन्तर्यामिनं। दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिस्फटिकमणिमयीं अक्षमालां ददानास्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमच्युतपुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं सद्वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरमधुराक्षरमारुह्य कविताशाखा वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं कञ्चनाद्रिकमणीयविग्रहं पारिजातधर्मूलवासिनं भावयामि भवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र गतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं। मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसजाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसा दासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वयसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः। वैदेही सहितं सरद्रुमतले हिमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितमग्रे वाचयति प्रपञ्चनसुते तत्त्वमुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भारतादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलं। वामे भूमिसुता पुरश्च हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रा सुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादुकोणेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युवराट्तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामलं। गुरुवर्ते त्यक्तराज्यो विचरदन्वनं पद्मपद्भ्यां प्रियाया पाणिस्पर्शाक्षमाभ्यां रचितपतरुचो यो हरीन्द्रानुजाभ्यां वैरूप्या शूर्पणख्या प्रियप्रग्रशोभितभ्रुविजृम्भितस्ताब्दिबद्धसेतुकलतवदघ्नः कौसलेन्द्रो वदान्नः। जानकीकान्तस्मरणं जय जय राम राम। आञ्जनेय स्वामी की। यावन्न रामं द्रक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मणं वा महाबलं वैदेहीं च महाभागां न मे शान्तिर्भविष्यति। यावन्न चन्द्रसङ्काशं द्रक्ष्यामि शुभमाननं भ्रातृपद्मफलासाक्षं न मे शान्तिर्भविष्यति। यावन्न चरणौ भ्रातुः पार्थिवव्यञ्जनान्वितौ शिरसा धारयिष्यामि न मे शान्तिर्भविष्यति। यावन्न राज्ये राज्यार्हः पितृपैतामहे स्थितः अभिषेकजलक्लिन्नो न मे शान्तिर्भविष्यति। Bharata's declaration that he shall not find peace except at the feet of the Lord Sri Ramachandra. Seeing Rama, falling at Rama's feet and surrendering to Rama the kingdom. These are the three things that he is saying here. Yavan na Ramam drakshyami, until I see Rama. How is Rama na? Chandrasankhasham, Shubhavananam, Padma, Phalasaksham, Rama with the beautiful face, Rama with the beautiful eyes. That Rama surrounded by Sita and Lakshmana, until I see him, idu darshanam. Yavanna charanau bhratuhu parthiva vyajjananvithau shirasa dhariyishyami, until I take those feet of Rama and place them upon my head and fall at his feet, surrendering to him, the Sharanagati. Yavanna rajye rajyarha pitrupaitamhe stitaha abhisheka jalaklinno na me shantirbhavishyati, until I offer unto him this kingdom that belongs to him originally, I shall not find peace. Adu sarvasanga parityagam. Seeing him, jnana. Surrendering to him, bhakti. Giving up everything else, vairagya. Unless this jnana, bhakti and vairagya come to us, name shantir bhavishyati. There is no scope or possibility of peace in our hearts. Tyagat Shantiranantaram. Bhagavan says in the Gita, if you want eternal peace, you have got to sacrifice, you have got to give up, tyagam, renounce. What has to be renounced? Everything that can affect our peace has to be renounced. Bharata was happy. What took away his happiness? The kingdom took away his happiness. What took away his shanti? The kingdom took away his shanti. He says, if I give this kingdom up, I will have shanti. If I give this kingdom up, I will have shanti. Namakume, what is taking our shanti away? The importance that we have given to all the things around us, the events around us, the happenings around us, is what is taking our shanti away. And the reason why we are giving importance to all of these things is if they are related to us only. And the reason why we give importance to those things that are related to us is because of the importance we give to our own body-mind identity. So if you give up that body-mind identity, shanti is natural. Go think about it a little bit. When are you restless? When do you lose your shanti? When do you lose your peace? When something affects you, you lose your peace. Nothing is affecting you, you are peaceful. There are no health issues, there are no wealth issues, there are no people issues. Basically, there are no issues. There are no issues. All around, there are no problems. You are shanti, you are peaceful. When there is a problem, then peace goes away. I have no peace in the children. Yeah, peace. And it is also only because we give importance to that. We give importance to that, we find it so. If we stop giving importance to it, we will find peace. Nala Vairagyam gives peace. Sharanagati Bhakti brings peace. Tameva Sharanam Gacha Sarvabhavena Bharata. Surrender to him, you will find peace in Kartatan. Yavanna Charano Bratuhu Parthiva Vyanjananvitau Sharasad Arishyami. Until I surrender to him at his feet, I will not have shanti. Because the heart can flow freely only when it is in line with what we should be doing. See, in your lives, sometimes you may reach a crossroad of some decision making, some sort of decision making. Should I do this or should I do that? Should I go this way, should I go that way? And as long as you are sitting on the crossroads, you will find a lot of restlessness with him. As you consider the different options, either shall I go down this route, again restlessness might come. Finally, you choose the right route. The moment you choose it, what happens? There is a flow within. As though all barriers have been broken and you are able to flow freely. You are now going as per your destiny. When you make the choice that is destined for you, there will be a sense of relief coming into us. Sharanagati is the ultimate destination. Gati abdinale enna artham abdina? Destination artham. Gati means destination. Idu enna gati? What is our gati? Sharanagati is our gati. Sharana agati ni solron, adu vera vishayam. Samskrita grammar padi pata vera, but still. What is our gati? Sharanagati is our gati. And until we have taken that step to surrender, shanti will not come because we are resisting. We are resisting, and the resistance that we have developed within us is going to ruin our peace. In surrendering, Sarvabhavena, in every way, surrendering to the Lord alone is going to give us peace. Although Bharata is saying, Name Shantir Bhavishyati, until I go and fall at his feet, I will not have Shanti in Chonnalum. Even when he is sitting in front of Rama, he is not at peace. Shanti illa. Because he is arguing with Rama. He's going to go and argue with Rama. No, you have got to take the kingdom. You have got to do. He's saying all kinds of things. Because of that, Shanti is still not there. Just by saying, when I fall at Rama's feet, I will have Shanti. Shanti varala. When does he get Shanti now? When finally he takes Rama Padukas and puts upon his head and goes away. Rama Padata vachikirenu sonna porota. Rama Padukaya vachikonuma. Here he says, Bharatruhu charanau shirasadari shami. I will take Anna's feet and put them upon my head. Shanti doesn't come with that. Shanti comes only when he takes Rama Padukas, not Rama's feet. What does it mean? Paduka na footwear. If you take the footwear and put it upon your head, then is it better than placing the feet upon your head? Illa. Taking the footwear upon his head was his surrendering to Rama's will and carrying out Rama's order. Placing Rama's feet upon his head is his choice. Padukas on his head is Rama's choice. So when we follow the command of the Lord, the will of the Lord, adan sharanagati. Appadan sharanagati. Falling at the feet alone is not sharanagati. Obeying the command or accepting the will of the Lord is sharanagati. Adan sharanagati. அதில் தான் சாந்தி. யாவன்ன ராமம் தர்க்ஷாமி அப்படின்னு சொன்னான். until I see Raman. The seeing என்னதுன்னா, seeing the truth. Rama is the truth until I see the truth in ஞானம். Only when the truth is seen. Truthனா என்ன? What is the truthனா? சாந்தோயம் ஆத்மா அப்படின்னு. ஆத்மா is Shanti. There is no need to attain peace. You only have to understand that you are already peace. That what you are is peace. Ni Shanti. Bhagavan is Shanti, Shantakaram. We are defining him as Shanti. Atmava we are saying it is Shanti. Upon the Atma Ramana Arkakudiya Bhagavanai, Antaryamiya, when you are able to see the Antaryami, when you are able to understand the truth of that Antaryami, then alone Shanti can come to us. Externalities cannot give us Shanti. Externally, even after the Bharata sees Rama, he is not peaceful at all. Is that not what we are going to see? He says, when I see Rama, I will be peaceful now. He is not peaceful when he sees Rama. His peace comes to him when he realizes Rama Tattva. ராம தேகத்தில் வரல, ராம தத்துவத்தில் தான் வருது சாந்தி. ஏன்னா ராம தேகத்தை ராட்சசால் கூட தானே பார்க்கிறா. Rama's form is seen even by the Rakshasas, even Khara and Dushana and Ravana and Kumbhakarna. All of those people are also Kabanda and Virada. Everybody is going to see Rama Shariram, Rama's body, everybody is going to see. ஆனால் அந்த ராம ஷரீரத்தில் சாந்தி இல்லை, ராம தத்துவத்தில் தான் சாந்தி இருக்கு. சாந்தி இஸ் இன் ராம தத்துவம். और as was sung today, राम नाम के दो अक्षर में सब सुख शांति समाई रे. Where is शांति? ना ராம்ங்கிற நாமத்தில் சாந்தி இருக்கு. ராம சப்தத்தில் சாந்தி இருக்கு. In ராம நாம சாந்தி is there. Rama represents Atma. In that Atma, Shanti is present. Atma itself is Shanti, is peace. Peace ultimately is the only gain that we are working for. We're leading our lives, taking so many births is for the sake of this Shanti. And like Bharata, when we realize that we do not have any Shanti at all whatsoever now, then we have made the first step. It is Mumukshutvam. We are walking towards the truth. We have become qualified to seek the truth only when we realize that there is no Shanti for us now. All alertness, all vigilance is required only to not fall into the trap of complacency, not fall into the trap of a temporary state of peace. I am peaceful. Everything is forgotten. No sadhana is possible if you stagnate in the state of temporary peace. That is why even in meditation, even in Atmavichara and so on, when people used to meditate, Bhagavanoda Sannidhila kuda, even in Ramana Bhagavan's presence, they would reach a blank state, a state of exceeding. It looks as though it is very peaceful, or shunyavastha. And now when they reach that stage, Bhagavan himself would say, wake him up from that state, that is dangerous, he should not be in that state. Why are they continuing to be in that state? No, it is peaceful. Nanna irke, shanthama irke nirka. Ana adu jnanam illa. It is not jnana. That is why the temporary lull or state of laya, it is called a state of laya. Laya அப்படின்னா ஒரு ஸ்லீப்னு கூட சொல்லிக்கலாம், ஒரு lull, ஒரு sleep. Sometimes there is no excitement in life. There is no upset also in life. Everything is calm. All is calm and all is bright னு சொல்றோம். If it is not bright, it is just calm. If it is bright, it is all right. If it is merely calm without being bright, அப்படின்னா it is sleep. Isn't it? All is calm and it is not bright. அப்படின்னா you are fast asleep னு அர்த்தம். ஏன்னா பிரைட்டா இல்லையா, லைட்லாம் அணைச்சுட்டு தானே தூங்குற. You switch off all the lights and you sleep. It is dark. It is not bright. If all is calm and all is bright அப்படின்னா then that is a different story. அது சாந்தி, அது ஞானம். Brightness is the alertness, the awakeness of consciousness. Consciously when we are at peace அப்படிங்கிற ஸ்டேட் இருக்கே, that alone can be called jnana. இது in meditation. Ordinary worldly level la kuda, even in a worldly level, a lot of people will say, ஏதோ பகவான் புண்ணியத்தில் எல்லாம் நிம்மதியாக சௌக்கியமாக இருக்கேன், எனக்கு வேறதுக்கு மேலே என்ன வேணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிடுவாங்க. People might say, by Bhagavan's grace I am happy, everything is going well, what more do I need? அப்படின்னு சொல்லி they will stagnate. The moment you say what more do I need, there are two ways in which you arrive at the state of what more do I need. எனக்கோர் குறை உண்டோ அப்படிங்கிறது, I have nothing lacking அப்படிங்கிற state, you get it in two ways. One, when you do not lack anything. Now everything is available around you, everything is happy, everything is going your way. When everything is going your way, naturally you are at peace. இல்லையா? அப்போ என்ன தோணும்? இதே என்ன இருக்கே, status quo, let me continue like this அப்படின்னு தோணும். That is a dangerous shanti, dangerous laya, lull. Other shanti is the shanti of jnanam. அது என்ன, எனக்கு ஒரு குறை உண்டோ? Do I have anything lacking? You have given everything to me. You alone are enough for me. அப்படிங்கிற ஸ்திதி, சரணாகதியினுடைய ஸ்திதியில் ஒரு சாந்தி, அல்ப சாந்தி ஒரு சாந்தி, க்ஷுத்ர சாந்தி ஒரு சாந்தி. Discrimination is necessary so that we are able to discover the difference between this temporary lull and eternal peace. Otherwise we will get trapped in it. அதனால இங்க அதனால தான் பரதனை பத்தி சொல்லும்பொழுது சூக்ஷ்ம புத்திகள பரதோடு. When Tyagaraja sings about Bharata, he gives him an appellation, சூக்ஷ்ம புத்திகள பரதோடு. எப்படி இருக்கான் பரதன்னா, சூக்ஷ்ம புத்தி இருக்கான், subtle intellect he has got. சூக்ஷ்மயா அக்ரயா புத்தியான்னு சொல்றது உபனிஷத்து. And the Sukshma Buddhi is there in Bharata. Sukshma Buddhi gala Bharatudu chusi mrukuna. Bharatanika, the Sukshma Buddhi, subtle intellect, because of that he is able to discriminate and understand there is no shanti, there is no shanti, there is no shanti other than by surrendering to Rama, other than by knowing Rama Tattva, other than by giving up everything in favor of Rama. I have got to Ramaya Samarpitam, surrender everything to Rama. Everything has to be for Rama. அப்படிங்கிற அந்த சரண்டர், அந்த டெடிகேஷன், சமர்ப்பணம் அந்த ஸ்டேட்ல இருக்கணும்ங்கிறதுனால Bharata understands it, discovers it correctly. Siddhartha Kala Saumitra Siddhartha Kalu Saumitrir Yaschandra Vimalopamam Mukhahu Pashyati Ramasya Rajivaksham Mahadhyuti. Lakshmana, as he's walking along, Bharata is exclaiming all of this. He says, Lakshmana alone has accomplished the purpose of life because he is able to constantly look at that beautiful moon-like face, spotless moon-like face of Rama, which is adorned by those eyes that resemble Rajivaksham lotuses. The two eyes that resemble lotuses, that face that is resembling Chandra Vimalopamam, the stainless moon. Ramasya Mahadhyuti Mukham, Rama's effulgent face, he alone is looking at all the time, adanala he is blessed. Kritakritya Mahabhaga Vaidehi Janakatmaja Bhartaram Sagarantayaha Prithivyayanugacchati. Kritakritya Mahabhaga Vaidehi Janakatmaja, Janaka's daughter Vaidehi has accomplished the purpose of life, has done everything that needs to be done because she has followed her husband Sri Ramachandra into wherever he goes into the forest. These two alone are blessed. Lakshmana is blessed because he is able to see Rama's face all the time. Sita is blessed because she has followed him wherever he goes. Blessed is Chitrakuta Parvatam where Rama lives. It is as blessed as the Himalaya because Rama lives in Chitrakutam. Fortunate is this forest where Rama is roaming around. Fortunate are these animals that are having Rama's company. Saying all of this, he is walking. Slowly, as he comes closer and closer to the ashrama, he starts seeing various signs of habitation. Smoke is rising up there. Anganga Power Edathila Pata, knots have been tied to the trees with grass, kusha grass. And when you go into the forest there are no pathways and roads. You have to find your way back. To find the way back, what they will do is they will take grass and make it into a rope and tie it around the tree to point the way. Oh, the valiya poganum. Adallam irukanga. They are able to see that. He is also able to see dung cakes. Dung cakes lined up there. Dung cakes are namurla pannuvalya in India. The efficiency with which we use, reuse, reduce, recycle. India mari paaka mudiyadhu. You cannot find a place like India where we use and reuse everything. Onnu thookiye poda maatam. Vachi kaapaathi bhadrama vachittukom illaya. But what do we do? When they have cows and buffaloes and so on. They'll take the dung, they'll mix it with hay, and they will make round pancake madri, chapati madri, varati nu challuvom. Other they will stick it onto the walls of the houses, outside walls, and the sun will dry it. And when it's dry, like tandoori roti falling, it will fall. If you know how they make tandoori roti, or they'll have a big tandoor, or a cylindrical oven. Inside that coal will be there. They will make this chapati, round thick naans. They will paste it to the walls of that oven, clay oven, or even drums. And once it cooks, once it will stick when it is uncooked. The moment it is cooked, it will fall off on its own. Then they will lift it up and serve it to you. Hot tandoori roti. And the madri, the dung cakes also will be stuck to the wall. The moment it dries, it will fall off automatically. And then that will be burnt to provide, it will be used for a fire, as fuel for the fire, or to for cooking, or to protect themselves against the cold, etc., to ward off mosquitoes and so on. They are living in the forest. They have piled all of these things. This is what Lakshmana must have done. This is what Manni must have done. This is what Anna must have done. I'm going to see him. Sandosham. Bharata is happy. Atragam Purushavyagram Guru Sadkarakarino Varyam Drakshami Samhrishto Maharshimi Varagavam. Atra Akam Purushavyagram Pakaporen. I'm going to see Rama here. Samhrishto, with my heart delighted. I'm going to see Rama. Eppayapata Raman appadina That extraordinary Rama Purusha Vyagram, tiger amongst men, Guru Satkara Karinam, who performs service to elders, Aryam, the noble one, Maharshimiva, one who is equal to a Maharshi, Raghavam, that Rama I am going to see. அப்படி சந்தோஷமாக போகிறேன், ராமரை பார்க்க போகிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டே as he is going there, பார்த்தா ஒரு இடத்துலேருந்து from a spot, he has not yet reached it, but from a spot in the distance he is able to see அந்த இடத்துல ஆசிரமம், திரும்பி ஆசிரமம் வந்துடுத்து. As they are coming through, everywhere there are trees இல்லையா, in the forest, you know, because there are so many trees, you cannot really know what is there in front of you. Suddenly ஒரு clearing, all of a sudden a clearing, and in distance in that clearing a little hut, ஒரு ஆசிரமம், and outside that hut Ashya Varam Bharatan. Bharata is coming with so much of anticipation, so much of deep devotion and yearning. Normally itself when you go to see, the காலத்தில் ஞாபகம் இருக்கு, days that have gone when we were in Chennai and we used to go to Parthi to see Swami. The excitement of packing, the excitement of getting into that bus, and the bus that went from Chennai to Parthi for a long time was the most ramshackle contraption you could ever find. Hard seats, windows that will not close properly. If it rains, you'll invite the weather inside. Cold. We used to take blankets to cover ourselves up with. In December, we used to go in December for the holidays. We have to wrap ourselves, it will be so cold. Hard seats in that bus. The roads were, what roads? There were no roads. There were only holes. The bus will go dabagu, and you will go up and down. And the whole night you will travel there. You see so much of eagerness. 6:45, 7 o'clock in the morning that bus will go. ஒரு ஆசை, அதுக்குள்ளே போயிடணும் ஏன்னா 6:45 பகவான் உள்ளே வந்துடுவாரே, 6:45 பகவான் will come out for darshan. If the bus can go a bit early, can it go early? போய் இறங்கி ஓடி போய் ஒரு தர்ஷன், you have to see him ஓடி பார்க்க மாதிரி பார்த்தா அப்படியே சுவாமி ஆஹா அப்படின்னு. Those who have enjoyed this alone can appreciate Bharata's mentality, Bharata's mindset. எவ்வளோ நாள் ஆசை, for months together that desire has been building up. When will I see him? Name shantir bhavishyati. Yavanna prashanti gacchami. Yavanna prashanti nilayam gacchami. Until I go to Prashanti, until I see Swami, I will not have Shanti. அப்படின்னு நினச்சி நாங்கள் போய் நின்று அப்படியே பகவான் ஜல்லுன்னு வர சுவாமியை பார்த்தா அப்படி ஒரு கண்ணெல்லாம் தண்ணி வந்து, eyes will fill up with tears. Swami, we would stand there and have his darshan. The first darshan after a long time, very sweet darshan. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, bodi padu Swami. I will run inside. Very stingy he was. Very, very stingy. Short little darshan he'll give and run away. And the first darshan is a very special darshan. Seeing him after a long time is something that is, it thrills you from within. Nirikshasa muhurtam tu dadarsha bharato gurum utaje ramamasinam jata mandaladharinam. அப்படியே ஓடி வரான், பரதா இஸ் கமிங் ரன்னிங், அப்படி வந்து நின்னா அப்படின்னு ஸ்டாண்டிங் தேர். முகூர்த்தம் தூ, ஒரு க்ஷணத்தில் அப்படி பார்த்தாங்க. ததர்ஷ பரதோ குரும், பரதா சீஸ் ஹிஸ் குரு சிட்டிங் தேர். குரும் அப்படிங்கிற வார்த்தையை போட்டு பிராத்தான்னு போடலை, ஆரியான்னு போடலை. He did not see his brotharam dadarsha, brother தானே. அக்ரஜம் ததர்ஷ பிராதரம் ததர்ஷ இல்லை, குரும் ததர்ஷ. ஏன்னா இஸ் சீக்கிங் சாந்தி இல்லையா? Who can give shanti? Who can show us the way to shanti? Guru alone can show us the way to shanti. Guru தவிர்த்து who can show the way to shanti? அதனால இங்க since he is seeking shanti, he sees Guru sitting there. ததர்ஷ பரதோ குரு. எப்படி உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கார்? How is Rama sitting? Utaje, in that cottage, in that hut. Ramamasino, Rama is seated. Jata Mandaladharinam, with his matted locks around above his head. Tam tu Krishna Jinadaram Chiravalkasa Valkalavasasam Dadarsha Ramamasinam Abhimatah Pavakopamam Simhaskandam Mahabahum Pundarika Nibekshanam Prithivya Sagarantaya Bhartaram Dharmacharinam Upavishtam Mahabahu Brahmanamiva Sashvatam Standile Darbasamsirne Sitaya Lakshmanena cha. On the bare ground, on Darbasana, on an asana of Darba grass, Sitaya Lakshmanena cha, with Sita on one side, Lakshmana on the other. Jatamandaladharinam, with matted locks on his head. Krishnajinadharam, the black antelope skin wrapped around his waist. Chiraval kalavasasam, garments of bark. Rama is sitting there, abhitaka pavakopamam. Rama is sitting there like blazing fire. Pavaka, no, fire. He's sitting there like, ஏன் பாவக்கா அப்படின்னா, because it makes us all pure, it is பாவக்கா. பாவனம் பண்றதுனால பாவக்கன், பாக்கம் பண்றதுனாலையும் பாவக்கன். பாவகோபமம். Rama purifies us. Ramanama purifies us. ராம் 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 ராம்னு சொன்னாலே எல்லா பாப்பமும் போயிடுறது இல்லையா? ராம கதையை கேட்டா பாப்பம் போயிடுறது. सारे पाप नष्ट हो जाए அப்படின்னா, ராம கதையை கேட்டா सारे पाप विनष्ट हो जाए, all the sins are destroyed. ராம நாமம் சொன்னா all the sins are destroyed by saying ராம் ராம் ராம். அதனால பாவகனா உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கார் ராமர். Simhaskandam, lion like shoulders. Mahabahu, long arms. Pundarika Nibekshanam, lotus like eyes. மிச்சதெல்லாம் அப்படியே ஒரு rugged masculinity. Broad shoulders, long arms, great might, 56-inch chest. எல்லாம் masculinity, அப்படி ஒரு masculinity. ஆனா அதுக்கு நடுவுல புண்டரீக நிபேக்ஷணம், ஒரு ஜென்டில்னஸ், ஒரு ஸ்வீட்னஸ், ஒரு டெலிகசி, டெலிகேட்டா அந்த கண்ணு மாத்திரம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா லோட்டஸ் லைக் ஐஸ். ஹூ இஸ் ஹி அப்படின்னா, பிருத்திவ்யா சாகராந்தாயாஹா பர்த்தாரம். ஹி இஸ் த லார்ட், த மாஸ்டர் ஆஃப் தி என்டையர் எர்த் பவுண்டட் பை தி ஓஷன். தர்மச்சாரிணம், ஆனால் ஆல்வேஸ் ஃபாலோயிங் தர்மா, never swerving from the path of dharma. Brahmanamiva shashvatam, as eternal as the Brahman. Upavishtam standile darba samstirne, seated there. Ramam Sitaya Lakshmanena cha, along with Sita and Lakshmana, this Rama is seen by Bharata. இவ்வளோ என்ன சொன்னான்னா, நமே சாந்திர் பவிஷ்யதி, நமே சாந்திர் பவிஷ்யதி, நோ பீஸ் நோ பீஸ். ஆனால் வாட் இஸ் சிட்டிங் தேர் அப்படின்னா, ஆதாவாசம் சாந்தேரகிருத சுக்ருதானாம் அசுலபம் நவாம்போதஷ்யாமம் நளினநயனம் வல்கலதரம் ஜட்டாஜூட்டப்பீடம் भुजगपतिभोगोपमभुजं ददर्श श्रीमन्तं विपिन भुवि सीता सहचरम्. Along with Sita, what is resting there now? Atha vasam, there resides. Atha, there resides what? Na shante, Shanti is residing there. Rama is not residing there in that ashrama. Yaar irkana, Shanti is living there. And what kind of Shanti is it? Abdina akrita sukritanam asulabam. Shanti that is difficult to be attained by those who are not doing the right things to be done. Akrita sukritanam asulabham. The right thing, sukritam, அப்படின்னா appropriate thing that is to be done. Appropriate thing that is to be done, apt thing that is to be done is to know the truth of oneself, to make efforts to know that truth, to follow that spiritual path that has been shown, laid down, demonstrated by all the great holy ones, the saints, the Mahatmas, Mahapurushas. To follow that path sincerely with the aim of reaching that goal is the sukritam, the right thing to be done. அது பண்ணாத வாழ்க்கை இது கிடைக்காது. The Shanti is not available for those who do not do that. Navambodashyamam, body that resembles the Navambodam, the newborn cloud, a cloud that has drunk the water of the ocean and it has come. Ghana vandirukku illaya, and the Ghanashyamam, the body of the Lord, the color of the Lord, complexion of Bhagavan Sri Rama is like that of the rain cloud. The reason it is like the rain cloud is because it is ready to shower grace. Nalinanayanam, eyes like lotuses. Valkaladaram, clad in bark. Jatajutapidam, matted locks. Bhujagapati bhogopavabhujam, arms that are like the great serpents, like pythons. Shrimantam, Lord of all auspiciousness. Sita Sahacharam, along with Sita. Dadarsha, Bharata is seeing this wonderful sight of Sri Rama. We will leave him feasting. He has struggled so much. We will leave him feasting upon the sight of Rama for a while and come back again tomorrow to proceed with the rest of the story. Janaki Kanta Smaranam, Jai Jai Ram, Anjaneya Swami ki Jai. Sarve Bhantu Sukhina, Sarve Sundara Ramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Vishyantu Makucha Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Lokas Masta Sukhino Bhantu, Lokas Masta Sukhino Bhantu, Lokas Masta Sukhino Bhantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Sri Sai Ishwara Arpanamastu.